This area includes willow, ash, elm, poplar, and a large sheltering white pine forest. The Nature Boy Scenic Railway is intended as a scenic ride and not as an animal display. Therefore, it will only be by chance that the animals are actually seen. So please keep your eyes peeled and your cameras ready. On your right hand side, you'll be able to see 3 sandhill cranes. They are a tall grayish brown with a red on their head and a pointed bill. Predators of these animals include ground animals and a variety of birds like the eagle and the great horned owl. When defending itself, they will jump, kick, hiss, and open up their wings. Their distinctive trumpeting call can be heard from great distances. Then on your left, just past the trees, you'll be able to see 2 trumpeter swans. And these are the largest type of the swan, which breed from Alaska to the Rocky Mountain states. Their numbers were dangerously low at one point, but have since recovered. The trumpeter swan got its name by the trumpeting sound that it makes. The large building you see on your right-hand side is a state-of-the-art elephant facility designed to house the park's herd of Asian elephants. The 18,000 square foot facility features a computer-controlled ventilation system, heated floors, and natural lighting. A lab and research center within the facility enables our staff to continue their efforts in maintaining one of North America's most successful breeding programs for this endangered species. African Lion Safari is an accredited member of the International Elephant Foundation that supports conservation, education, and research worldwide. Through their passion, expertise, knowledge, and partnerships, they inspire and engage people to ensure a vibrant future with elephants everywhere. We are now approaching the end of the tour, and I ask that you please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. Once you've exited the train, the path leading off to the right is the gateway to the show areas, including Fairy Paradise Show, a Birds of Prey flying demonstration, and Little Ray's reptile performances.